Hi, good morning. Today we are going to start a new topic, which is light. And in this topic, um, we are going to attacking one of the fundamental questions in physics. So, what is light? Okay. The question, well, the answer is not that simple. The idea is if you ask any scientist, what is light, and no one can actually tell you what exactly it is because we don't know. Yep, we have no clue. Uh, well, we have some clues, but we don't know what exactly it is today. And but what happened is, those scientists, uh, they start to they have some theories about light. Now, most of scientists imagine light. Remember, we just imagine light as waves. We imagine they behave like ocean waves, similar to ocean waves. So, in this way, some of the phenomena like refraction can be explained. So some other scientists, they imagine light as small little particles called photons. So, um, yep. For instance, Einstein started all this. He imagined light as uh, made up by those little particles called photons, and this is called the particle theory of light, which we're going to learn in year 12. But at year 11, we are only going to learn the wave model of light. Before we talk about light anymore, we need to talk about waves. So, on your page 10, on your page 10.2 on your DCV notes, here we can say the definition of waves. Okay. So what's happening is wave transfers energy without a net transfer of matter. Let me show you what does it mean. So say if I have a string, and those little here it is a string. I can move it. Okay. Yeah, maybe it's easier to use this. Okay. I can move it up. I can move it down. So the string is made of little particles. Okay. Let's symbolize it. And what's happening is, um, if I try to create a wave, say I can create a wave, but looking at that wave, we can say that energy is flow from the left to the right. Okay. Yep, we can make that wave faster. We can make that wave faster or slower, but you can say that energy actually travels from left to the right. However, let's make it slow. Yep. Let's pause it. Okay. However, now just looking at a single point of that wave. Okay. For instance, just look at this little green point. Okay. Then let me just start playing. So the little green point is oscillating up and down, up and down. The energy is transferred to the right. The particle of the wave, the particle on the wire doesn't move to the right or nor the left. It just moves up and down. It's oscillating. It's just vibrating up and down. So, this is basically a wave. It transfers energy, and the medium, the particle doesn't the particle vibrates, but the dot particle doesn't move. So, yep. Okay. So what can we say about light? Okay. Now let's talk about wave. Okay. Now we're going to do the wave model. Okay. So the aim of the wave is transverse energy. Okay. Wave transverse energy. Yep. By making uh, particles vibrating. Okay. Particles vibration or vibrating.